I'm going to take you shopping. I got to grab my microphone and we'll be on our way. I couldn't find my microphone, but it should be fine. I'm in the process of transition, so I need to put everything in its home. Everything kind of got like muffled, but that's besides the point. We're going shopping right now, and I'm low key scared to go shopping because do you know how much food costs? And sometimes I'd be so just motivated to just be like, I'll just buy something. I mean, lack of motivation and just go buy something. But it's like, no, you need to go and you need to cook because one, we're on a mission to get fit because, health is wealth. And two, just gotta stop being lazy. You know what? I actually lost 8 pounds in the last, I would say, like, it took me 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks to lose 8 pounds, right? And that was with zero exercise. Zero exercise. It was just my diet. So, like, you might say, well, what did you eat? Basically, I just ate like greens and vegetables. Yeah, just basically greens and vegetables. I snacked like crazy on like stuff like carrots and celery. That bitchin' sauce. That bitchin' sauce. I also ate grapefruit and kiwi. Those are my go-to. Now, I got them at Costco, but I'm not going to go there this time. This time, I will stick with the grapefruit because grapefruit was very helpful. And I feel like it like really helped me in making me feel full, and plus it's full of fiber and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go out and we'll see you at the store. I just made a video and I was smacking and I'm still smacking. I find that when I'm hungry and I have gum, it just really kind of like takes the what do you call it? It takes the craving away from me. I really need to get my car washed, but I was told, I have a black car, and I was told the reason why you shouldn't go and get your car washed from these garages is that it will leave swirls on your car. And I don't know, if you have a black car, you can attest to this if you go to like the regular like car washes. Let me show you. Like those little car washes, you would get the swirls and stuff. My face is like really swollen because I got poisoned. Oh, okay, so we're here at the supermarket. We're gonna shop at Safeway. I know there's cheaper markets, but this is closer to my house and that part. So these are the things we're getting today. Some dryer sheets. We need dryer sheets and we need dishwashing pods. Okay. I know it's not food, but it's one of those things that you have to get. And like I said, I'm not going to Costco. So, I'm getting a jar of mayo because I'm going to make some apple salad, which is so delicious. And also I can use mayo to make chickpea tuna. I actually have some chickpeas. So that's something that I can make. I'm getting some creamer, the silky almond kind. I'm going to only get 3 potatoes and 4 red apples. That's it. I'm not getting nothing else. I'm not getting anything that's not on this sheet. We're going to stay laser focused and we'll see you in the store. So this is just 12, but this will just get me to me getting they got another one. Oh, this is Platinum Plus. It's the same price. Look at this. This will get me till I get to Costco next week. All right. So dryer sheet is $9.99, originally $14. I guess that's good. What they do? So they got the Impossible. I'm not getting it, but you got the Impossible food, the vegan food, what the dog food. It's hella shady. I just want to point this out. One little carton of eggs. These are vegan eggs. They're $8.99. It's only like 1 pound, 16 ounces. That's crazy. They used to be like $2.99, $4.99. They're just as much. They're just expensive as regular eggs. Regular eggs is $14.99. Look, for a thing of eggs, $48.99. That's hella crazy. Okay, here we are at the creamer. Oh, so it's on sale. The oat creamer is on sale. It's not my flavor I like. Ooh, I might have to get it. Look, $6.49 for some freaking creamer. And the oak one is cheaper. We're going to have to go with the oak. So potatoes is $2.79 a pound. Russet potatoes is $1.89 a pound. So red delicious apples is $1.99 a pound. That's the apple that I need. Okay, so now I'll get some vegan mayo, and it's $5.49. Put all that. I should get some hot dogs. Nope. Got everything I need. I got everything on my list. Alright, check out. Look how pretty this is.
Weigh your item. Please touch, accept, move your item to the back. Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
All right, we just came out the store. You see, it came up to $36.16. I mean, even if you just like subtract the dryer sheets and the Cascade, pods, right there, that was $16. So if you were to subtract the $16 from the $36, I would leave you with $20. So what did $20 get me? 3 potatoes, 4 apples, some mayonnaise, and some creamer. And the creamer was on sale for $3.99. It's crazy. But with that, like I said, I can make tuna, I can make applesauce. The potatoes, I'm gonna do this really cool thing that I seen. So stay tuned for that. But then other than that, that's been our little travel. Our little shopping spree. Yes, it is very, very expensive to eat. So what I suggest you do, one, buy in bulk. If you can buy in bulk, buy in bulk. You will save money. Plan out your meals. See, for this week, I'm going to make some stir-fry cabbage. And I might do a video on it just to show you, because I am obsessed with Panda Express Super Greens, and it's basically kale, cabbage, and broccoli, right? And it's like $7 for a little, no, it's not, I'm lying, $5 for a little container like this. So I just went out and I bought some kale, cabbage, and broccoli. And for the whole thing, I think it cost me around $12. So I can eat off that for, well, the way I eat, I can eat probably 3 days, right? So you gotta think, that would be cheaper to buy it than to eat off of it. But it might last me 4 days. I don't know. I bought a lot of it, so we'll see. Thank you for hanging in with me. And if you have suggestions, link it below. How are you surviving with food being so expensive? I know you could probably say well, Kelly, give up coffee. But I pay $3.99 for that, right? If I were to go get coffee every day, and my coffee like at Starbucks or these other places and stuff, you're gonna be paying like $4 for a cup of coffee, no cap. Like even just for a regular grande, um, you like a medium size, like regular coffee, it's $3.85, and you just think, I mean, how is that sustainable, right? I mean, it is sustainable, but it's just like you're just wasting money when you can just buy a whole box. So I actually bought a box of 100 of these little Keurig pods, and it cost me $30, but I got 100 pods, right? So you figure I saved a couple $100 if you kind of break it down the way it is. Okay, so I'm gonna go get gas and I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna finish prepping for the week. Thank you for taking this journey with me. I really appreciate it. And I will show you some tips on how to save money and stay fit, because let me tell you something. Some of my favorite vegan content creators, they make the bomb food, but they're not the healthiest. I'm just saying. All right, so follow me for more tips. And remember, wealth. Health is wealth. Not just wealth is wealth. Wealth is health. Health. And remember, wealth. No, why I keep saying wealth? And remember, health is wealth. Bye.